guys, Larissa with BeCozi.net is here. So this weekend is the St. Patrick's Day. So today I would like to show you how to make this beautiful chain scarf made with chunky chenille yarn. So we will be using black and green chunky chenille colors because those are official colors of St. Patrick's Day. It will take you basically 10 to 15 minutes to make this scarf. And you can select any other colors and make the scarf for any other occasions. If you want to use our chunky chenille yarn, visit BeCozi.net. We have 29 colors available. If you're ready, let's get started. Okay guys, so we will be making a scarf, a chain scarf, as I said, and we will be using green and black colors because those are colors of St. Patrick's Day. So we usually start with making a knot if we're using chenille yarn. In this case, we will connect into a knot these two strings. So make a knot, make it pretty tight. Then take scissors and cut the tail of the knot like that. So your tail of the yarn is ready. So now the same way as we usually start, this is the tail, this is working yarn, only it consists of two strings. Make a loop, insert your hand, grab working yarn and pull it through. Try to make this first stitch as close to the end of the yarn as possible, because this way we will not use a lot of the yarn to hide at the end. So what we do now, when we have one stitch ready, insert your hand, grab working yarn and pull it out. So now we have two stitches on this chain. So now guys, watch me closely. We will not be knitting the usual way, basically laying on the table. We will be holding this yarn in our both hands and we will be knitting this way. So first stitch is on your right hand, grab working yarn, pull it out and keep it on your hand. Now insert your left hand inside the first stitch, grab working yarn and pull it through this stitch. So that's what you will have. You will have two stitches, both of them are hanging on your hands. So now keep knitting the same way. Grab working yarn with the right hand, pull it through the stitch, grab working yarn with the left hand, pull it through the stitch on the left hand, and you can help yourself with the other hand. Keep doing this way. Why we're knitting this way, guys? I will knit couple stitches and I will show you why. Because this way it actually will become a real chain. It's actually really amazing. Just two stitches knitted this way will give you a beautiful chain. Subscribe to our channel, you can see a button underneath the video, and please visit our social media and follow us on Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook. Okay, so look at that. See? This is a beautiful chain, it's connected together. So let's keep knitting this way, and the suggested length for this scarf should be at least 60 inches, guys. 60 inches will give you a length enough to throw around your neck a couple times. It will not be too long and it will look really nice and beautiful, and that will not even take you the whole skein of the yarn of one color. So if you want it longer, some people like really long scarves or have it in 3 loops around your neck, then you can use the whole skein or 2 skeins of different colors. You can use any color combination because this weekend is a St. Patrick's Day. I am using beautiful green and black. And if you didn't know, initially St. Patrick's Day color was blue, and it was changed later because island color, it's kind of being called, the official color is emerald green. So later they changed the blue color of St. Patrick's Day to the green. And usually if you saw the parades and people wearing all the St. Patrick's Day stuff, it's a green hat with a black stripe. That's why we are using these two colors today, green and black. So I will be showing you the length of 60 inches, guys. And again, if you want the scarf longer, use the whole skein of each color. Okay, so we are at the end. You can see that one color is a little bit longer, one is a little bit shorter. So let's cut it that it would be the same. Now do the same with these two ends. Make a knot with both strings together. This will prevent unraveling. Cut the tails, and now you have two stitches. Have them together and pull this tail through both stitches 2 times, guys. So we did it once, then go in the same hole of 2 stitches second time and pull it out. Here you go. This is the end of our scarf. Weave in or hide the knot inside. Chenille yarn is very fluffy, you will not really see it. And then do the same on the end where we started. So grab both first stitches, we see first and second, and pull the tail through once and second time, and then hide or weave in the end inside the scarf like that. So here you go. You can find all the supplies shown in this video at BeCozi.net website. We always have a lot of colors available, and we have 6 different yarns available, guys. So visit our website, subscribe to our channel. Stay warm and be cozy.